So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking.
Okay guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage, and today we're at IAA Auctions again, and we're checking out some trucks today. It's diesels and gas trucks. Be sure to let us know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos because they're coming. So let's check this thing out. We have a 2010 Ram 3500 diesel truck. Looks like it was used to haul, tow, because it does have DOT and MC numbers. Has some front end damage. The hood has some dents here. They took off this fender probably to inspect if anything was damaged here. There is some damage here. The front bumper's pretty much in shape. The front end overall should be pretty decent. The hood, I mean, it's probably fixable. And then the back here has all the extra parts. This bed is all destroyed. Tailgate's still here. Tailgate is in all right shape, but has a little crack here, and I don't know if the frame of the bed went or not, but you guys be sure to check this out. Go to iaai.com, and everything we check out today, you'll see the stock numbers. All of that will, you could follow us along and check it out with us. So let's take a look in the interior. Actually, look, they cut this thing. I wonder why they cut it. To check out the damage? Probably not, but look at this, and then they cut it here. Okay, so interior pretty clean. Seats, back seats aren't used. Looks like the front also pretty clean. This thing has 78,000 miles on it. I mean, this has scratches. Looks like it got a couple scratches on the mirror right there. So yeah, overall, let's check out this side real quick. Now this truck is destroyed. Yeah, overall, I mean, right here there's a hit. And then also the roof is damaged as well. So I mean, all around some hits. But then check out this thing. This thing is in mint condition. Other than it looks like it got folded. There. Okay, so let's go check out some trucks down this whole row, and we'll get to see some maybe diesel trucks.
The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
What's wrong?
This is a 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. Got 285,000 miles on it. It's missing an oil pan. This thing's all beat up. Got a fab tank lift kit on it. I think every panel on this truck is beat up. The mirror's busted, the door's dented, this door's dented. The bedside's dented, the cab is dented. The bumper's busted, the taillight's busted, the tailgate's damaged. This thing's been through one heck of a rodeo. This is damaged. Comes with free dog hair and some dog food on the ground. But yeah. And this bumper, for how heavy duty it is, I don't know what they hit to bend the bumper like that. Must have been something pretty strong.
I feel like we're only checking out Rams today. Ram, and another one, all diesel.
So yeah, this is a 2001, also 2500, 24 valve Dodge Ram. The paint looks really good shape for how old it is. Overall, the body on this side is good. The wheels are a little crooked. But the other side is where all the damages are. So most of the damage here looks like it's suspension and the fender and the doors. This axle went back
A couple inches.
Yeah. And the door is holding on there by I don't know what, by this strong tape.
Oh yeah, it hit like, looks like some kind of
Ran into something or something ran into
something
it.
that's pretty low, but that thing is,
Yeah, but the motor pretty clean.
it's not bad. .24 valve. Let's go check out from the back over there.
Hey. So the back is decent shape. Tailgate got some damage. I mean, it definitely was a nice truck at one point. It looks like there's like a Mustang bumper in the back. I don't know if the Mustangs was hit it. If it did, that Mustang must be destroyed. But it does come with a couple free stickers.
It does add horsepower, as the legend says.
If you guys are interested in these kind of trucks, go search it up and maybe buy it for a parts truck. Take the engine out of it. I'm sure it's still good. Or
Even the back, I mean,
or fix it.
somebody that wants a project could definitely fix it. We don't know what's behind this. It looks like caved in.
It's got 170,000 miles on it.
I see another Ram. Are we gonna check out this Ram too?
This one starts the 1500 gasser. It's got pretty cool wheels and tires on it.
They're all like hit from the bottom.
Yeah, this one's
All have like suspension damage.
just
Yeah, I
needs a
think
spare tire.
that thing's
Yep,
just-
those are all. Should buff out. Yeah. Good shit.
As usual, the driver's seat has a rip.
Every Dodge.
Oh, dang. Look at that rim.
Does come with the rim. If you want to fix it, all you have to do,
Do you think JB Weld will do the job?
yep, you just gotta put it like this. And let's see.
And then balance it.
So, there's another piece. I think we could just. Oh, there goes right there.
It also comes with a barbecue and a bag of charcoal and straps.
And lug nuts.
Oh, and lug nuts. Look at how much money you're saving.
And a quarter of a rotor. And that.
other side of the rim.
Yeah,
Not bad.
not bad for a Ram.
It definitely got rammed, or it rammed somebody. So we got a 2015 Toyota Tacoma with about, what, 61,000 miles on it. This side looks pretty good. From what I can see right away without really looking at it, the interior looks spotless. The airbag did go off in the roof, airbag in the steering wheel, like we told you guys in other episodes. I mean, if you're starting out, you definitely want to get something without blown airbags, because it does have a little complications. It's easier when you don't have to deal with airbags. Let's go here. Looks like we didn't check out the other side yet, but looks like this is probably from the other side, broke off from the impact. The back looks pretty clean. I don't see any damages whatsoever from the back other than that roof right there. And now we come to this side. This is where all the surprise happens. So the bed is caved in a little bit, just a little bit, probably buff out, put some Bondo on it, smooth it out. And then here, as you guys could tell, a little more going on here. And we can't really see, but I don't know if the engine was hit or not. We can't really see from this side without taking it apart, but impact was on this side. I'm gonna need a new hood. This apron right here. This front core support and bumper and frame. Yeah, the whole front end. So suspension looks all right just from the looks of it, but yeah, check this thing out. Not a bad project. And Toyotas, they do keep their value, so I mean, it's definitely a fixer-upper. Gentlemen, we have a Ford. It looks pretty dead to me. Pretty hard hit. I mean, the whole front end is pretty much destroyed. The engine, I don't know if it's supposed to be that far back in the cab, but you know, it was all taped off. I'm not gonna take it apart. It was sideswiped here. The roof was damaged. Sideswiped here. I mean, the bed has very minor damage from this side, and then there's a bunch of parts here in the back. I guess a tire, some miscellaneous. So under the hood, what is this? Cup holders, a hub assembly. There's a rim, part of a rim. Yeah, and then we're going this side, just like the other side, has minor damage, really fixable. And then look at this thing. I mean, this thing does have 51,000 miles, 2016. Holy moly. Not just suspension damage here. There's Comment below, just for fun, what do you guys think it's going to cost to repair this thing? You could, what it would cost you by yourself. I mean, maybe taking it to the shop. I don't know. My guess, I don't even want to say. I have no idea. But comment below. Let us know. What do you think this thing is going to cost to repair? If you repair it, this thing looks like more of a parts truck. But somebody might enjoy this project. Okay, so the rain is starting to come down on us. We wanted to do some more trucks, but this is it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I hope we'll be back soon. There's a lot more trucks we wanted to check out, but as you guys can tell, yeah, it's we're getting soaked out here. It's actually coming down as we speak, pretty hard. The wind is crazy. But stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next video.